just like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah, yeah.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Francineorfranny, and I'm back at with another video, girl. In today's collaboration with Yolova's hair, I think it's Yolova or Yolova. I think it's Yolova. I don't know, I might be mistaken. In today's video is in collaboration with them. And right here I'm just showing you guys the packaging that it came in. Very cute, very sleek. I love it, super fun. Alright guys, so inside of the silk bag, the hair of course comes in it, and it came with some eyelashes and a wig head cap as well. And this is their curly ombre honey blonde. This is in the length 24. It's 150 density, 13x4 lace frontal wig. And so it came with a comb at the top, two at the side, so one at the nape, and an adjustable strap as well. Any additional details will be linked down below, you guys. And also do not forget to use my code FRANC, and you'll get 15% off. That will also be in the link down below. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cut the tabs off camera because I'm just always messing up the ear tabs, y'all. So I went ahead and did that. As you can tell, the lace is a lighter tone than my actual skin color. So when you guys see me cut the lace off, it is gonna look kind of like white-ish. But no worries, I just went in with a foundation. Go in with a foundation that's like your skin tone, and it should blend in very well. And you guys are gonna see in the video, that's what I'm gonna end up doing. Alright guys, so I went ahead and just used my hot comb and my wax stick just to push back my flyaways. And now I'm taking my Got To Be Glued spray, and I am gluing down my lace. I did kind of use two different type of techniques because I'm still trying to find the perfect technique, you know, that I can use that's super quick and easy for me. I'm still learning, y'all. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a professional, you know what I'm saying? I'm still learning. So yeah, girl, I just do my own thing.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my
guys, so that is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out any additional details in the link below. Thank y'all I cannot talk. Thank y'all so much for watching. Sending y'all love and light, and peace.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah.